Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get unlimited blocks in Minecraft. First, the easiest way is to use Creative Mode. This game mode gives you immediate access to every block in the game, allowing you to build without limits. You can fly freely and are completely invulnerable, making it perfect for large-scale construction projects or simply experimenting with designs. It's a fantastic starting point for any builder. Next, let's explore commands. The /give command is excellent for instantly adding any block to your inventory. For larger areas, the /fill command allows you to place or replace thousands of blocks at once, defining a specific region. These commands are powerful tools for quickly shaping your world and ensuring you always have the materials you need for any project, big or small. For more advanced building, consider structure blocks. These special blocks let you save and load entire structures, making it simple to duplicate complex builds or transfer them between worlds. Additionally, the debug stick, while less about infinite blocks, allows you to manipulate block states, creating unique visual variations for your designs. Both are invaluable for detailed and efficient construction. Finally, for true automation, command blocks are your best friend. You can program them to execute commands repeatedly, effectively generating blocks continuously or filling areas on demand. By linking them with redstone, you gain precise control over when and how blocks appear. This method is perfect for creating dynamic environments or setting up automated resource generation systems within your world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.